everyone, this is Gigi from Machinery here. Now I'm in SUNWARD Rotary Drilling Rig Factory. Introduce you the 360 Rotary Drilling Rig for you. Its model number is SWDM360, a high-performance rotary drilling rig for deep foundation construction. It comes with the corralled winch and equipped with the Cummins engine, so it is suitable for some hard ground project and some rock layers. Its max torque output is 360, and with the 2.5 diameter meters and 102 meters depth, it is a perfect model for some bridges and high-rise buildings and some heavy-duty projects. This SWDM360 delivers excellent efficiency, fuel efficiency, and easy operation. Why not choose this SWDM360 for your projects?